Hey everyone, it's me Miroslav from NechEmpire, a channel where you can learn a lot about the print-on-demand business. Yes, business. Because to be successful with print-on-demand, and it doesn't matter if we are talking about Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Etsy or merch by Amazon, you need to approach it like a business. Then you can be successful, you need to have a long-term plan. And in today's video, I will talk about Redbubble traffic and explain you what you should do to get more exposure, more customers and maybe more sales. While there are many methods to drive traffic to your Redbubble designs, not all traffic is suitable for it and not all people become your customers. I have always been a big believer that at the beginning you should only use free ways to generate traffic to your Redbubble shop. However, the free method, in this case, means hard work, patience and consistency. When something is free, then it's not free at all. It costs time and effort. At the beginning, there are two main ways you should focus on to promote your designs. The first method I like to use is direct traffic. Direct traffic means that you are actively promoting your designs on social media. I'm talking about Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest or Tumblr. While the conversion of this traffic source is not the best, it is still a great way to find new customers. And it is free. If you have a niche store on Redbubble, a store that is focusing only on one category, then you can easily create a theme page on Instagram, Pinterest or Facebook and create a community around such a page. While it sounds easy, it is not. You need to be active on social media, posting something interesting every single day. That's why you need to diversify your traffic. Don't put all eggs in one basket. So let me explain to you the second and more important traffic source. It is called organic traffic, and we are talking about exposure through Google searches. The great thing about organic traffic is, when done correctly, it can drive targeted customers to your designs for months or years. And this is incredible. However, in order to get more organic traffic, you need to optimize your titles, descriptions and tags. It is called Search Engine Optimization, SEO in short, and it is a way to convince Google to rank your listings, images and entire shop. When choosing between direct and organic traffic, I like to use organic traffic as the main source of how people are finding my artwork. But you can do both at once, but be patient. Gaining followers on social media and ranking on Google search takes time. In my world of authority websites, when I'm trying to rank articles, it takes up to 6 months to see if the article is ranking, if it was written correctly with the right keywords. With Redbubble listing, is it faster, but to see the full potential, you need to wait. But still, trying to rank your designs on Google is the best way to get more exposure. And with the organic method, you can also get more traffic outside Google. For example, somebody has a website about design and likes your artwork. So he uses your image on his website and links back to the original image. This is called a backlink and it can boost the ranking of your Redbubble listing and can also send a new audience to your design. So I think you should spend time optimizing your design listing for search engines, creating keyword-rich titles, tags and descriptions. But what if you did everything correctly and still not getting sales? What you are doing wrong? The best way is to check your traffic either on Redbubble or in Google Analytics. If you see you are getting tons of traffic, but there are no sales, then the reason is that your designs are not good enough. Simply put, people don't like your designs. It is cruel, but it is true. Customers on Redbubble are seeing tons of designs. They are choosing designs they like best. And maybe your designs are not for them. If you have no sales, but you already uploaded over 100 designs, then you need to get better at designing or in keyword research. My advice is simple. To get more sales on Redbubble, improve your designs, improve SEO of your listings, and try to get more followers on social media. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it thumbs up and consider subscribing to the NechEmpire YouTube channel.